Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze forecast next week goal forecast for you and next week goal trading show. You can join with my Telegram link is below and make good profit from the gold trading. So this is the 4 hour chart goal. So this is the pattern I am seeing here technically. Left shoulder head, right shoulder is there. So technically this is the head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. This is the famous reversal pattern in technically picture, technically analysis. So price breakout this, retest, and next week you have a sell opportunity again. 3900 is the below support level, below target. In this point, price breakout this trend line and retest. This is the, it has a sell opportunity, but you should wait for the price action before get the trade. This is the technically analysis, technically picture I am seeing here with the 4 hour chart. So let's go to the daily chart. So what was happened in last 5 days, last week. So this is the daily candle. You can see the interesting things is there. Last Thursday and Friday, you can see the sellers are active in the gold price, sell gold. So you can see the red candles, two red daily red candles is there Thursday and Friday. So let's see the what is the picture fundamental behind this story. First reason is the now tariff uncertainty is cool down. Donald Trump is now cool with the trade war tariff apply. So he negotiate with the China with the tariff and trade war cool down. That's the safe haven demand drop. So second reason is the US government shutdown. Now data coming with next week more data. So safe haven demand drop. Third reason is the rate cutoff. What is the price in? You can see this is the Fed Watch Tool website. This is the rate price in website in the US dollar. You can see the next FOMC meeting December FOMC meeting is the last FOMC meeting in this year, and that is the more important. You can see 29% rate pulse price into the market. I have told this my last few videos. This is the 70 above 70% price in the rate cutoff. This is the interesting thing is that this rate cutoff 25 bps already priced into the market. So if next week this 70% increase to 75%, 80% like this, but this will not help to dollar sell off because of this rate cutoff now already priced into the market. So this the interesting things, but rate cutoff price into the next FOMC meeting that will not help to the gold push to the upside because of this rate cutoff already priced into the markets, though that will not help to the dollar sell off and gold push to the upside. So 4% is the current interest rate in the American Central Bank. So that will help to gold drop to the below side. So I'm thinking. So that's the three reason for gold drop. And next week I am hoping again sell side can be continuing in the market. So that's the hoping. So you should touch with the market conditions and the price action before get the trade. So this is the next week more important economic events regarding US dollar. GDP is there. So more data now coming with the US dollar. US government shutdown means next week GDP and the PCE, personal consumption expenditure price section of PCE is there, and the third is the PPI, retail sales also is there next week will be released, and fourth is the PPI, producer price index is there. GDP, PCE, retail sales, PPI, more important economic data will be released in next week regarding US dollar. If you are trading gold, you should touch with this economic data regarding US dollars. The next week, that is the more important economic events, important economic data. So FX Street website mentioned this interesting there. Gold rallies past 4,100 dovish Fed. So last Friday, that's the dovish tone with the Fed members. So that will the last Friday goal again push to the upside, but I am not expecting upside not will be continuing. So that's the Fed dovish Fed tones. That's the goal push to the upside last Friday, but not expecting to the continuing to the upside. I am not expecting. So this is the forward chart. Let's see the what is the interesting levels. This level is the more important next week gold trading. This is the 4130 level. So this level more important next week gold trading. This is the pattern also higher high price created and the lower low created. This is the Quasimodo pattern. This is the also famous technical pattern. So patterns, more patterns I am seeing this picture. So this is the level QM sell level. So price reached this level and from sell from this level last week. I was mentioned this about this level my last week video. So this is the Quasimodo sell point. So price can be again reached and break out this level. That's the interesting. You should prepare for buy goal. So that is the buy opportunity. So more uncertainty, market uncertainty. So China, Japan geopolitical uncertainty will be continuing next week, and gold price can be break out this level. 4200 is the next resistance level target. So this can't be happen with the more not more uncertainty. So gold price I am in the sell side. So that will be the next generation next week. So that's the sell side continuing. Next level is the below trend line target. Below trend line target is the next level target. 3900 is the goal sell side target next week. So below trend line and the below support level is the 3900 level next week goal setting. So I am on the sell side, but you should wait for the get the trade. If you get the trade, you should combine fundamental, technical, and the candlestick patterns, price action patterns. More patterns you should combine with the before get the trade. This is the also support area. So this breakout retest, you have a sell opportunity with the gold trading. So this is the weekly chart last week. So interesting weekly candle in the last week. You can see weekly candle is the red. So sellers are in there. That shows the last week this candle. This is the spinning top candle. So if you know the candlestick reading, this is the spinning top candle. Spinning top candle means the indecision candle. So sellers, buyers are both are there, but the you can see the body color. Body color is the red. So red means the so sellers are in this point. So sellers interesting to sell gold. That's the prepare for next week. So that's candles reading last week. Weekly candle is also sellers are there. So I am hoping next week also red candle can be created. That's my forecast. Next week forecast. So you can join with my Telegram link is below and make good profit from the gold trading. Thank you very much.